In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge two Facebook pages. So first off, you just have to go to your Facebook page, and this is my Facebook page, and you just have to click your account and just go to settings, privacy, and go to settings. Once you're in here, you just have to go to your page setup. Now once you're in here, you cannot see or even navigate how to merge two pages. So first it's because you need to request Facebook for that. So you just have to click your account again and just click help and support and just click help center. Now once you're in here, just search merge two pages. Once you are in here, just click merge two pages, and you just have to um if your pages are on business manager, you can go to business. As you can see in here, there will be error because my Facebook page is not in business manager. And also, if you want to merge two pages, you just have to request that from Facebook. So these are all the instructions for how to merge two Facebook pages, and the ability to merge pages may not currently be available to all users. So yeah, if you want to merge two files pages or two Facebook pages, you just have to request in Facebook, and that's it.